R. Great says, just wanted to say your interview tips and information has helped me to get an offer with a prominent government agency as critical asset and vulnerability analyst. Thanks a lot. Yep. I've been doing this for a while, man. This is just stuff that I've been doing and I've learned with trial and error, and that's why this stuff works. This is honestly, I am in the industry currently. I'm currently in this industry. I'm just saying what I've been through. I'm telling people how I've gotten to where I've gotten, and the interviews stuff. Yeah, it's just worked. It's just worked over and over again. So now I'm just passing it along to people who are willing to listen. So that's what this whole channel is about. That's what my ConvoCourses.com is about. It's telling you literally what to do.